Hello there, welcome back. This is Chand from studyeasy.org and this particular class was built by us in our last video. Now this is an entity class where we have these annotations, entity, table, ID and column, which is perfect. This class depicts users table in the database which we have already seen, and whatever we require to make this class depict a table in the database is there. But there are a couple of more things which we need to add in this class to actually start making use of this class in our application. So let's add the required things. So the first thing we need to add in here is the getters and setters. So let us quickly navigate to source and we will generate the getters and setters for it. Let us select all, and insertion point would be after the variable name, last name, which is perfect. Alright, so all the getters and setters got added, and this is so fantastic thing that Eclipse is coding for us. Apart from that, let us ask Eclipse to code something more as well, and that would be the constructor. So we will again right click, navigate to source, and we will generate constructor as well. So click on this option, generate constructor using field, and we would require to add constructor based on username, password, first name and last name. We will skip user ID because user ID is a auto incremented value in our database already. So the user ID would be taken by the database itself. Let us click on OK now. Alright, so this looks cool, and call to the super method is not required, so let us get rid of it. Alright, so this is all about this entity class which we need. In our next video, we will add a class which will also have the main method, and using the class we will actually add a sample data in the database so that we can check whether our application is working properly or not. So this was all about today's lecture, and in our next lecture we will actually see Hibernate in action. So that is something interesting coming up in our next video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and take care.